Hey everyone. All right, so the second part of your Word assignment is working with Word Art and Smart Art. Okay, so throughout this semester, we're going to ask you guys to work in Word. We're going to ask you guys to create some smart artwork to illustrate your assignments and projects. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So in Word, I can just go ahead, and this assignment, I want you guys to just basically type what we would do like a word collage, and you guys have all seen it. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, if I come here, so if I go to our home screen here and then I go into technology literacy, we're doing something like this, all right, with this, all these words, technology, web, and internet, and social, and they all kind of connect, right? So in this one, you're just going to type a bunch of random words, okay? First, you can start with your name. Okay, and with this I can highlight it, and then I can come over to insert, and then I can go over to Word Art, and I can start changing up the attributes to my text. Alright, so I can come here, I can change the color, I can change the outline color, okay, I can even add text effects, so I can say reflect, I could add a shadow to it, okay. I can come here and do like a drop shadow here. You guys can see that. Okay. I can also change the direction. So maybe I want to rotate that. Okay, to put it in line. I can also come here to text effect and do like some transformations. Right. Oh, I don't have it selected. Okay, select, and now you can see that it changes the shape. It puts it on a curve. Whatever the case may be. So this assignment, all you're going to do is you're going to type up a bunch of random words. Okay, so baseball, I played baseball in college. It was a big part of my life. So you could do something that represents you. Again, I'm just going to select it. Whoops. Okay. As you can see, I'm having issues selecting it. I'm going to go to my Word Art, and again, I'm going to change that up. You can see that I can hit the drop down. There's a lot of options here. Okay, whatever the case may be that you're trying to do here, slide that over. Maybe go text effect. Maybe go 3D rotation. Lay it flat. All kinds of options that you guys can do. Right? We can go outer glow. Okay. I can also come down here and go text. I can go gradient, and I can go more gradients, and then over here I can say I want a gradient fill. And for those of you that have me in graphic design, you guys should be very familiar with this, and you can see that the setup is very similar to that. Okay, so maybe I don't want this one. I can come over here, click on that one. I'm going to delete it, and now I just have these two. This one's selected. I'm going to hit the drop down, and I'm going to go with a different color, say green. Then I'll go select that one. Maybe I want an orange. Select that one, and then come here and then, I don't know, do like a red. So now you guys can see that I have a gradient in my text. I could change the angle, right? I could go, instead of 90, I can do like a 45-degree angle. Okay. I could type that in, hit enter. You can change things from linear. Okay, so this is what we're doing with Word Art. In this particular one, guys, I just want you guys to just go crazy with a bunch of words. You guys can rearrange them in any way that you want to create a nice, pleasant graphic. It can be just a bunch of random words. It can be words that express you, things that you're interested in, movies, music, whatever the case may be. But this is what we're doing on that. Okay, one page. The next one is, and if you guys want to, you can come down here. We can go new. And on this one, I want you guys to go ahead and go over to insert. And now we're going to go to Smart Art. And if you look at the rubric, you need to have at least one process, one cycle, one hierarchy, and one relationship. Okay? So, for example, process. Come here, I want to just work with a simple process, okay? And that process could be you know, study hard, get good grades, and hopefully, eventually, get a good job. All right, that could be a simple process. You could do a process on putting on your shoes and tying them. I don't care. Okay, but then I would like you to go through here and change some attributes to it. All right, change the color. Okay, you can do something solid, or you can go and select specific boxes to change the color in. Okay, so for example, I could right click on this. Sorry. Right click on this. I could change my word art. You could even change the shape if you wanted to. So there's a lot of things that you can doctor up on this. Okay, change the shape. I don't know. Maybe you felt like putting a heart on there showing, you know, your process. And it is not giving me my fill color. There we go. So now I can go to my fill. I can change the fill. Maybe I want that to be yellow. Why it's not popping up down here? It should pop up right there. Oh, there it is. It's above. Sorry. Outline. I could give it an outline. Okay. I could go to my outline and I can choose a different weight. Maybe I want that to be a little bit thicker. Okay. So I want to see you guys change attributes to these as well. And again, that's under Insert, Smart Art. You need one process, one cycle, one hierarchy, and one relationship. Okay. So a relationship, you know, you could do like a sandwich and you could say peanut butter and jelly, right? That's a relationship. They go together well. Okay. So I hope that gives you guys enough to start. Let me know if you guys have any questions, but that is the second half of the word assignment that is labeled word art and smart art. All right. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Later.